Yes, baby. Ano yun, Bruno? Bakit? Bakit? Ayaw? Checking? Okay na? Bye! Hello, everyone! So, I think if you're watching this new video of mine, I guess you've watched previous video of unboxing my Korean succulents. And for this video, I'll be, potting my Korean succulents. May or may not work for you, but hopefully you'll learn something from me in as much as I've learned something from other people as well. So the first thing that I actually do is to put DE powder dun sa roots ng plants ko. When I was starting, I was actually using cinnamon, but for my recent purchases, I've been using DE powder and I hope it will work for me. So after ng DE, the second thing I do is I just let my plants rest again. Probably overnight, and then tomorrow we'll just have to pot them. Then, yung gagawin ko naman sa mga leaves, if yun nga, nanood kayo dun sa previous video ko, meron ako mga plants na medyo madaming natanggalan na leaves. So, ang ilalagay naman natin sa kanya is cinnamon powder, and we'll just hope and pray na sana mapropagate ka siya and magkaroon ng root system. So, lagyan nyo lang ng cinnamon yung parang sugat part or yung medyo basa na part. And I just use a seedling tray, yung malaki. Doon ko lang pinapatong yung mga leaves na natatanggal. Kaya siya malaki kasi, yun nga, kapag nag-unbox tayo, medyo maraming natatanggal na leaves. So, sayang naman. May mga nag-work naman, may mga natanggal lang, nalaglag, and then pag pinatong ko dito, nagkakaroon naman ng mga pop. Anyway, dahil magpa-pot na rin naman tayo ng mga Korean succulents, I opted to repot my 1-month-old Korean succulents kasi feeling ko hindi sila happy sa current soil mix nila. Ayan, so nakapag-rest na overnight yung mga plants natin. When I do pot my plants, gusto ko sukat na sukat sila sa mga pots nila. I personally use ceramic pots, kaya kung makikita nyo, nakapatong na yung mga plants natin sa pots para alam ko na sakto lang yung plants ko sa pots ko and maganda siyang tignan. We will use akadama, kanuma, and plant cultured soil mix. I won't be using my DIY CNS soil mix. So, I'll be mixing 8 parts of plant culture's CNS soil mix. And then, 2 parts ng akadama. And then, 2 parts ng kanuma. First off is, lalagyan natin siya ng neem gold. Tansya-tansya lang. Sana it will work, pero tinatansya ko lang. And then, after ng neem gold, I put Starkle G, systemic insecticide, para iwas mga kung ano-anong insects for our plants. And then, I put DE. May DE naman na yung soil mix, pero I'd rather kasi yung soil mix ko para iwas tayo sa overwatering is gritty. Tsaka gusto ko medyo whitish siya, yung kita mong may powder talaga. Also, I put Osmocoat na sa soil mix ko. Some will tell you na it wouldn't work pa since wala pang roots yung mga new plants mo. Pero ako, naglalagay na ako ng Osmocoat ko. Really mix well your soil mix. Kailangan makita mo na halong-halo na siya, katulad nung makikita nyo sa video ko. So, when I'm potting, naglalagay kasi ako for drainage lang ng mga lava rocks dun sa ilalim ng pots ko. Depende sa size ng pots. Minsan, tansya lang din. Minsan, 1/4, lalo na pag malalim yung pots natin. Para lang, yun din, again, iwas overwatering. And para hindi stagnant yung water sa roots and sa stem natin. And iwas tayo sa stem rot. Ayan. So, ako pinapatong ko lang most of the time, pinapatong ko lang yung plants. Tapos, konting push-push lang nung soil dun sa loob. Para hindi maalog yung, yung plant natin. If mapapansin nyo, after nung process ko na yun, hindi muna ako kagad naglalagay ng toppings. I tend to wait na magmukhang really healthy yung plant ko before I put toppings. Kasi mas gusto kong nakakahinga sila. Nakakahinga yung roots, nakakahinga yung plants. Personally, I don't use yung mga marble chips. I just use pumice, black lava rock, akadama, and kanuma. Pero, hindi ko muna sila lalagyan ngayon. Hindi ko muna siya papakita. Pero if tatanong nyo lang kung anong toppings nilalagay ko, yun yung mga nilalagay ko. So, ayun. Bali, mag-pot muna tayo para matapos tayo. And then, ayan, most of my echeveria or echeveria plants, pinapatong ko lang sila sa soil mix. Kasi, hindi nyo naman sila kailangan super baon na baon. Kasi it works. Look at this echeveria monstrose ko. May roots na siya. Ito, pinatong ko lang to sa lumang soil mix niya, pero nagka-roots siya. So, hindi nyo naman kailangan ibaon na ibaon. Also, if you're potting echeverias, I'd recommend yung mga wide na mouth na pots para mas lumalaki sila. I had this experience where yung lilacina ko, pinatong ko siya sa pot na medyo hindi wide mouth. Tapos ang nangyari, nag-bend yung leaves niya. Learn my lesson, wide mouth pots for my echeverias or echeverias. After I pot everything, I have categorized my newly potted plants into two, winter dormant and summer dormant. Kaya yung mga winter dormant plants natin, nasa garden ko lang sila sa balcony. Yung mga summer dormant plants natin, nasa loob ng room ko with grow lights. Air-conditioned yung room ko, so I'm assuming na mas sana healthy sila. This is actually an experiment of mine. And if it works, after maybe 2 to 3 months and they look healthy, meron silang mga roots, I'll share it again with you guys. But for the moment, this will be my setup. That's it. I hope you've enjoyed my video, and if you think you like it and it helped you, and you want to watch my other next videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe, I guess. Like and follow my Facebook and Instagram page, The Greedy Weeder, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you again, and see you on my next video. Bye!